my god.
Was ready?
Yeah, as ready as I can be. We're going fast.
I know, alright.
There's Jay, hold it at the Joe. Dude, my son's scared front foot. I'm like, fuck, I'm slippery.
This is. This place is beautiful. Hey, look at the water.
Yeah, it's like crystal clear, right?
The water's nice. You gotta like kick your feet weird.
Joey.
It is. How the Navy SEALs do it like this? They just fall backwards?
Yeah.
Caught that crash on camera.
Did you? I was like, oh shit. record.
Look like a broomstick, like a witch.
Like Cherry. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
It's a weird little fruit, but you gotta like cut it open. Oh, this one looks a little nasty on the inside. I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like a kiwi and a grape, kind of. Got a little seed on the inside. I don't know. It's good though. It's really good. Yeah.
Looking for sea turtles right now. I don't see any yet. You guys see any sea turtles yet?
Yeah, a bunch of them.